So today we are in this beautiful park, and today I'm going to show you this product by ZeboZap. It's the swiveling outdoor gazebo TV mount. This product is fully outdoor rated, and I'm going to show you how to fix this onto the pillar right now. So as I mentioned before, this product right here does not need any power tools. You only need this. This is a screwdriver, not a power tool. So this screwdriver is used to place this VESA mount behind the TV. Here I have a 32-inch TV. I have placed a special VESA mount made just for this mount, right? So I'm going to mount this TV right now. After placing the TV, you gotta place these two bolts right here, place them behind right here. There's this hole, and all these Allen keys are given, so tighten them. Right, after you have tightened this, you have one more over to the other side. So the other one is right here on the other side. Just now it was there, now here. So one more bolt right there. We have finally done mounting this TV. Very simple. It just took about 8 minutes to mount this TV onto this pillar. Now you can watch your favorite shows on this TV. Right, this TV mount right here is a swiveling TV mount. As you can see, you can swivel your TV, and you can even turn your TV 360 degrees. That's what's special about this TV. So do check out about this product on our website.